Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we are creating stylized cinematic grading using color lookup. Begin by opening your image and deciding on a strong stylistic direction. Stylized cinematic grading focuses on visual impact and mood. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and test LUTs that introduce bold color contrast or dramatic tonal shifts. Select one that immediately enhances the atmosphere. Lower the opacity slightly so important details remain visible. Add a curves adjustment layer and shape contrast to guide viewer attention toward the subject. Use color balance to push colors creatively while maintaining harmony.